Kingy, boys. Holy moly, boys. We have landed ourselves a kingy. Okay, hopefully you guys can see me well. I don't know what it's like for you guys, but we have woke up early morning. We have just paddled about half, I don't know, somewhere in the bay, just in the middle, over some sand. I've probably never fished, I mean, I probably have fished here before, but no marks or anything that I've marked. Like, there's no rocks, I don't think. And yeah, we're gonna try out here in the early morning, and we'll see what happens after that, I guess. So enjoy. There, that first light comes up. You guys can just see it, but it's a bit brighter than that. Yeah, but it's pretty nice. Let's get fishing. Okay, that light is coming up and the fish are coming on the chew. Action is wild. Absolutely wild. If you guys didn't already know, may as well let you know now. If you haven't already followed us on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok, go follow one of those, because yeah, we post stuff on there a lot more often, just photos and more reels, and that just means you can keep up to date and know what's happening. So yeah, go follow those, and they're all Wild Bunch Adventures. Gee, that is nice, man. That is really nice. Purple haze fleck going out, 7-inch. Let's catch a big dog on it. We on. Doesn't feel massive at all, but hey, it feels like a fish. Oh, it's got a little bit of tug to him. Get that net. Got him. Alright, there we go. Nice little eater right there. Purple haze fleck. Sure, that's mean. That's mean, man. Nice and fat and healthy. Yeah, he's going on the back on the ice, getting eaten. Small one nibbling at it. Just keep winding. I think we're on. Oh, it feels bigger. Maybe not. Oh, a little bit of tug, eh? A little bit of tug. Oh, come on. Get out of it, boy. Don't like when they do that. Splashy, splashy. Boy, you can't complain. Something like that. Especially, oh, no way. Hold up. Oh no, I thought the hook was bent. Okay. It's not bent, it just looked bent. Let me just quickly stick this on a bit better. Shit like that. Fish love it. Anyway, I'm not going to get a photo of this one in its mouth, but nice little fish there. It's coming back home. It's at least 40 centimeters probably. I'll measure all the fish at home and tell you what they are. Like, you'll be surprised. Good fat eaters. Perfect filleting size too. Big fish. I don't know how big, but put out a fair bit of line at the start and got weight to him. Do not know what he is. Feel like a snapper, but oh bugger. He's gone down there. I cannot let him do that. Get out of there. You guys hear this, right? It's taking me right into that reef just there. There's a major reef. Oh, bugger. Oh, bugger. Oh, he's a dog. He's a dog. He's actually a dog. Big dog. He's not huge, but oh, I don't know. Short colour. And he has curing line. It's a good fish. Oh, that's what we are talking about, boys. Good old fish. Let's get that net. Oh, it's nothing massive, but a flipping good one. You cannot complain with a fish like that. Like, oh, he's got to be close to 10 pounds. Oh, I don't know. He'll be close to 10 pounds, I'd say. Clean enough camera lens. Oh, let's get a good photo, boys. 12 pound. Very, very happy with that. Look at that fella. He's nice, and we are very happy. Purple haze fleck, 7-inch gulp Softbait, Berkeley Fishing NZ. Go check them out. Go get some soft baits. Man, these ones really do slay. Love the colour. Beast. Well, not a beast, but 12 pounds, nice and chunky. He is going home. Oh. Almost dropped him. Okay, boys, he's going home. He's still ready to go. Let's send him on his way. Oh. Here we go. Oh. Is he ready then? Very next cast, on, feels like another nice fish. Well, don't feel as big, but I have a feeling it might be a rat kingy. It's acting like a rat king. No, actually it feels like a snapper now. Don't know. Boy oh boy, it's like that fish just came back and grabbed it now. I mean, it feels smaller, that's for sure, but oh yeah, quite a bit smaller, I think. But he still gave it a good go. Yeah, boys. A net. Stonker. I mean, no, he's another nice fish. Gee, that was crazy. Another beautiful fish on that purple haze fleck or violet haze fleck. I forgot what it's called, but something like that. Mean, 7-inch, 8 or 9 pound, something like that. Beautiful fish, very fat, and well, we don't need fish, so he's gone back. There he goes, boys. Ew. Hopefully you guys can see well. Hopefully that lens is cleared up. But, shoo! Alright, now the hunt is on for that 20+ pound fish. Just gonna keep casting, keep fishing, and eventually we've got to catch something. Very fishy where I'm fishing right now, so only a matter of time and we'll get something, I'm sure of it. So I'll update you I guess soon when I'm on. Yeah. Alright, coming to a cove that I absolutely love, and yeah, the fish chase it to the surface in the spot, so be prepared. Drop it back down. Be prepared for a big dog. It's got quite a few nice ones in here. Yes, we are on in the shallows. Oh. Okay. Bit bigger than expected. A lot bigger than expected, maybe. Oh, probably just because it's so shallow. Yeah, I kind of forgot about that. It is darn shallow. Yeah, buddy. In ultra shallow water, those fish just can't resist, eh? Feisty bugger. Look at that. Beauty. Send them back into the back there and, well, try and get another. Man, it's shallow in here. I just got absolutely obliterated, like, I don't know how you say it, but smoked by a dog. Like, in the shallow water. I'm gonna retie, and yeah, get back down in these shallows. Gee, that was crazy, man. That was ultra crazy. Oh, bugger. No, wait. Oh, no. We just cast it into insane grounds. And we just got absolutely smoked again in here. Doesn't that look good? Right up in this wash zone, right in there. Cast it up, and a big dog, he grabbed it and he just went for the rocks. Ah, man, we gotta do something else, or might go stop at a beach, retie and all that, just because. Check the weather forecast, that one just gusted up a bit. Oh, that was insane. Oh no, that's a really nice spot too. I knew there'd be a big one in there, because look at that. Oh, look at these fishing grounds, like, they're just insane. That's such a bummer, man. Like, come on. You gotta be We made it to the beach. A beach anyway. Very cool, deserted spot that got a waves breaking up in there, eh? Look. A little bit sketchy getting in there because there's a bit of waves to get through, but we made it to a really nice beach actually. Holy, look at this. All this to explore. Wow. Might do a little bit of exploring soon. Take a piss, tie my rigs and all that, and we'll get out there pretty soon, I reckon. Alright, going back out there, we've got Ocean Shift colour soft bait, 7-inch, all ready to go. Get back out and search these really fishy grounds all in there. And I reckon we're going to pull out something big, surely. Got smoked by 2 big dogs, caught 2 biggish ones, not massive, but hey, I'm going to catch some fish, I'm feeling it. So let's get out there. Paddle out of this death zone. Oh, bugger, 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 bugger. We do not want that. Yeah, boys. Yes. There we go, boys. Woo. Oh, bunch of fibre just there. Look at this. Got some nice whitewash rocks all just there. Man, it's nice. Really nice. Bomby just there. I'm just going to start casting soft baits just now. Right, first cast. Let's see what happens, eh? 25-pound leader. It's a bit deeper out here, so we have a bit more of a chance. Never fished in this bay, but it looks really good. Okay. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, surely you guys saw that, eh? Oh, on. Oh, oh, bugger. Good here, eh? Oh, again. That is crazy. First cast in the spot. Okay, we've hooked the kawa, yay. Can use that to put it on for a live bait for a kingfish. I think it's a freaking kawa. Okay, we got him. Whew, that was a close one. There we go. I just saw a massive kingy explosion on the surface. It's definitely a kingfish. This is our kingy, boys. What's the light here in the shallows around the rocky, reefy stuff? Yeah, we're gonna definitely catch it, you know. No chance of it snapping us off. Come on, come on, come on. In the zone. Oh, surely. Okay, we on. Pretty sure anyway. Well, yeah, we are, but to a rat king, I'm pretty sure. He's a bit of a ripper. Come on, come on. Nice little eater. Nice little rezzy here. It's always good to let these rezzies go, eh? Look at that. Nice as. Ocean Shift soft bait, 7-inch. Mean. It's about 7 pounds as well. Oh, what was it? 8 pounds, yeah. Nice. Send this fella home. Okay. There he goes. Oh yeah, boys. Yeah. Another one on. Straight away. That's a good little eater right there. Oh, softbait came out his mouth. Ocean shift, 7-inch. Okay, this can be the last fish I keep, just because we don't need any more. Look at him. He's a beauty. Choo! Look at that. Mean. Successful day fishing today. It's probably about, I don't know, 5 pounds. Good fish. Yo. Kingy, boys. This is a snapper. It's the biggest snapper I've ever seen. He's heading out to deeper water. No way this is a snapper. Oh my god. My only hope now is he's heading out to deeper water. Stop, get out of there. Oh, come on, please. Right. Please, please, please. Get out of there. I can't lift his head. Oh. He's heading out deep, so we're really lucky about that. Please. Come on. Oh. Please. No, I feel him in there. I just don't want anything to get him out of there. Please. Boys and girls. Okay, we're not too far. Oh, please. Get out of there. I just can't get him out. Just gonna hope that we can please, 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 please. Get out of there. Get out of there. Come on, please. Oh, he's just there, he's just there. Oh, oh, yes, 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 yes. Okay. Oh, holy. Oh, Oh no, he's not very well hooked. Holy moly. He'll be legal. He's legal. Yes. Wait before you do anything. Got his tail. I've got his tail. Please. Okay. Yes. Oh my goodness. Holy moly, boys. We have landed ourselves a kingy on an ocean shift soft bait from Berkeley Fishing. And this is legal for sure. Yes. Woo. Oh my goodness. You guys don't know how happy I am. But I'm going to quickly check something off the GoPro, how much charge it's got. 20%. Quickly sort this out and I'll turn it back on. I will get a picture and everything. Okay boys, I really hope you can see this. This is a very, very cool moment for me. Yeah, the boys! Look at that. Yes. Hopefully you guys can see this well. First, I think, yeah, it is my first kingfish off the kayak. First legal, good legal kingfish off the kayak. It's not one of those beasts where people stick their arms and they're just huge, but look at that. I am stoked. I hope this is a good photo because this ain't a memory I want to forget. It's heavy, like I can hardly even lift this fella to get it up. It's just a pain to do, but yo, that good couple of kilos there. I'm gonna weigh him on shore, get him on the ice right now, bleed him out, everything like that. Hopefully that's a good photo. There's nothing else I can really do, can I? Get a better photo. Yo! Let's go. Man, I was so thought this dude was I was done for, but hey, we got him. That Ocean Shift 7-inch soft bait, Berkeley Fishing NZ. Yeah, it's good. Okay, I always carry this little first aid kit in the kayak. It's got, you know, all the basic stuff, quite a lot of stuff actually in it for a small first aid kit. Just had to put some bandage around my hand because that kingfish, I don't know what it is, I'm pretty sure it's the kingfish, had like some, I don't know, I must have scraped my skin, but it stings really, really bad. So I just stuck that on to keep it off the salt a little bit, and yeah, that's already helped heaps. So, well, we've got the fish in the back. I'll give you a quick look soon. And what I've did is, it can kind of fit in the cooler bag, but I'm trying to keep it as cool as possible, you know. And look, I'll show you what I've done. So it's in there, and then we've got the jacket, which I've dunked in water and stuck it on top over the towel, so none of it's going to be hit on the sun, which is really good. And we're going to make the journey back. It's about, I don't know, probably close to 10 k's, yeah, probably close to 10 k's straight back, so it's going to take me a bit, but I'll keep it cool. There is ice bottles in there, and we've got a lot of fish to fill it when we get back, so let's get back as soon as possible. Here's the surroundings where we caught it in, by the way. Beautiful coastline, lots of good areas. I think that's the kingfish I saw. I don't know if, I mean, it's 90 centimeters, that kingfish, so I've measured it, so I wonder how heavy it is, but we'll measure it, I mean, weigh it up and see when we get back to the beach. Woo! Made it to shore. Made it back. It was about an hour's paddle, so not too bad. Oh, let me get the kayak trolley and lay out all the fish and gut them up and all that. Right, here it is. I just weighed it. It's about 9.5 kilos. Yeah, about 9.5 kilos. It's pretty good. Alright, we've got 2 big fillets. Here's the frame, we've got most of the meat off, which is good. We're gonna probably save it for something like smoking, or give it away. Someone will want it, so yeah, let's keep filleting. Okay, big dish full of kingfish, which is good. Now we've got the snapper still, so yeah, lots of fish. Let's get on to the snapper. Alright, and we've just filleted up the snapper. Nice container full of snapper as well, so lots of fish. And we're going to end the video here because whew, let's just say that was a long one, that was a fun one, and it was pretty, yeah, it was just good action, good amount of fish, some big ones, lost some big ones, got smoked by some big ones, caught some big ones, yeah. A lot of big ones getting caught, and you know, just a lot of big ones. Yeah, so if you did enjoy this video, please consider subscribing, giving this video a thumbs up, and comment down below what you'd like us to do next, and also what your favorite part of this video was, because I definitely know mine. It will be yeah, that was my first legal kingfish off the kayak, and it was about 10 kilos, just under 10 kilos, which ain't that bad. 90 centimeters as well, so yeah, really good. See ya.
Come on guys, get off the couch, come outside and have fun.